Welcome back, YouTube, to beer day number 144, and it's another breakfast beer, and I've got no other than Two Birds Golden Ale. They say the early bird gets the worm, eh? Well, this is my worm right here. 7 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful. Oh, I can smell the golden ale, I reckon. I smell the spices on it, maybe a bit of stone fruit, passion fruit straight up. Yeah, there's Two Birds anyway. It's 4.4% alcohol, 1.1 standard drinks. Definitely picking up like slight stone fruit, just a real dull, maybe a nectarine. A tad little bit spicy. It's quite crisp, and it's pretty nice, refreshing. It's there's something. I'll tell you, there's a tiny bit of honey in there because the stone fruit flavour is just on a like slight acidic, but then it's got a real nice lame tang to it, and it's getting quite not sweet, but you can just pick up a note, a little hint of honey there. Not a bad little drop so far from Golden Ale. First thing in the morning. Yeah. Rest in there. Yeah, nice golden colour as you would expect being a golden ale. Champagne head, better finger fit. Carbonation's okay. Definitely a fruity golden ale, not too fruity, overbearing or anything like that. Just got the balance right. It's going to be a 3 out of 5. Maybe 3.5. 3 out of 5. It's a session beer. Good enough to drink for breakfast, lunch and tea. Anyhow, people, just remember to be kind to one another. I'll catch you on the flip side tomorrow morning with another breakfast beer. Take it easy, people.